The Botorro, the Sunny Health and Fitness, or Goplus Superfit? Perhaps the XTERRA or the Horizon Fitness? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 folding treadmills for small spaces available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best folding treadmills for small spaces. The 5th product on this list is the Goplus Superfit. This treadmill is the perfect portable partner for workouts at home. It is an innovative, multifunctional, and powerful unit that can be used for walking, running, and jogging. It has a durable non-slip running belt for stability and comfort, and it provides shock absorption for joints during exercise. Also, it's a small, quiet, powerful motorized treadmill that is light, easy to fold for storage, and weighs only 47 pounds. Moreover, with Bluetooth speakers, remote control, and app control features included, this item is convenient for any workout routine. What's more, the super strong 2.25 horsepower motor helps you get the most out of the workout routine with speeds that can be adjusted from 0.5 to 15 miles per hour, making it ideal for jogging or walking. The innovative LED display with remote control also allows you to monitor your heart rate, calories burned, and exercise time. Furthermore, its running belt is made of heavy-duty, high-quality materials, which provides an effective and safe cushion for your knees and muscles for a superior running experience. On top of that, its compact size makes it easy to move around and store when unused, and its durable construction ensures years of reliable performance. It is a unique solution to all sorts of different needs, as it can be used as a traditional upright treadmill, or you can fold the front down and use it while working at your desk. Its pros are, it has a very sleek design that compacts down well, its ability to fold provides additional options for use, and you can connect the treadmill to your phone through Bluetooth, so you can play music, watch videos, or chat with friends while you are exercising. However, it does not remember your stats between sessions, which can be frustrating when you try to figure out exactly how many calories you're burning. The Goplus Superfit is perfect for anyone who wants to stay active and healthy while they work at home. Up next in 4th place is the Horizon Fitness T101. This unit has a straightforward design, making it easy to use and great for beginners. It features a 20 by 55 inch deck and a 300 pounds weight capacity with speeds ranging from 0.5 to 11 miles per hour and inclines up to 15%. It comes with an audio input or output jack and a tablet holder to listen to your favorite music while working out. Also, there are heart rate contact grips for monitoring your pulse during workouts, so you know how hard you're pushing yourself. In addition, it offers Bluetooth connectivity for working out alongside a trainer or listening to music, and an incline function for increased intensity of your workouts. This unit folds up for easy storage that can be wheeled away or fit under your bed. What's more, with up to 20 customizable workouts, it's easy for you to stay on track with your training routine. It even has an energy saver mode that lowers power consumption, so you don't waste electricity. Furthermore, the ultra-quiet function allows you to exercise without disturbing others or listen to music and audiobooks without the need for noise-canceling headphones. It also has a tablet rack to keep track of your progress throughout your run or walk. If you want a reliable and efficient treadmill for use at home, this is a great option. Its pros are, it has a smooth folding mechanism, it has Bluetooth connectivity and quiet operation, and it is powered by an innovative drive system that recalibrates with each football to eliminate lag or surges. However, it's pretty heavy, which makes moving it around the house tricky. The Horizon Fitness T101 is a durable unit perfect for those who want to run or walk with the peace of mind that the workout equipment will function perfectly, no matter how often they use it. Still haven't found a folding treadmill for small spaces that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the XTERRA Fitness TR series. This next unit is the ultimate fitness machine for strength, endurance, and weight loss. The large 16 inches by 50 inches running surface gives you plenty of room to walk or run comfortably, while the comfortable deck cushioning absorbs the impact of your strides for a smooth ride. The intuitive 5 inches LCD is easy to read, keeping track of speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse count. On top of that, the IntelliSpeed console features 12 preset programs and 3 manual incline settings for the ultimate versatility. allowing you to develop an exercise program suited to your needs. It also has an easy pull knob that releases the deck to fold or unfold for convenient storage. This unit has been designed to be sturdy and reliable, with a robust 7 horsepower motor that's perfect for walking and running. This product is for users of all fitness levels to help blast fat, build lean muscle, increase cardio endurance, and make every workout challenging. What's more, the built-in speakers allow you to plug in your music device for private listening sessions. All in all, this versatile treadmill is perfect for those of all fitness levels. Its pros are, it's 50 inches running belt suitable for walking and jogging. It folds easily for storage, just pull a knob to fold and unfold, and it has built-in transport wheels making it effortless to move. However, it has no Bluetooth feature. The XTERRA Fitness TR Series is an easy, convenient way to get an excellent cardiovascular workout at home, even if you have limited space. The second product on this list is the Botorro R5. This folding treadmill is very convenient and portable and can be stored anywhere. It features a multi-function console that tracks your progress, provides data feedback, and an adjustable handrail to keep you safe while exercising. It's easy to listen to music or podcasts while running or walking on this treadmill, thanks to its built-in Bluetooth speaker. It also has a dual float shock absorption system that protects your joints and reduces the noise levels further. Additionally, this lightweight and portable fitness machine has an instant folding system that folds flat in seconds. The sturdy build makes it ideal for users of all ages and abilities who need a convenient machine that won't wobble under their weight. Plus, its magnetic safety lock ensures safe operation. Furthermore, the speed can be adjusted without bending down as the console has built-in buttons for setting the desired speed. It has a multi-function console, which makes it an excellent choice if you're starting to work out from home and need extra support as you work towards weight loss goals. Its pros are, its console and uprights fold down directly against the frame. It has a quiet motor, so it is ideal for walking while listening to audiobooks, and it syncs with your phone to play music through the speakers. However, the power cable is quite short, which can make it difficult to position without an extension cord. The Botorro R5 is a fantastic way to get a workout in when you don't have time to go to the gym, or when it's raining outside and you can't get out. There's no assembly required, so it's easy to store it away in a closet or under your bed when not needed. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top folding treadmill for small spaces is the Sunny Health and Fitness ASUNA Premium. This outstanding unit is the perfect equipment for home gyms and fitness enthusiasts. This sleek and stylish piece of exercise equipment offers a range of functions and an easy-to-use display. It has a large screen so you can view all 5 readouts at the same time: distance, speed, calories burned, and pulse rate. Moreover, it can connect your phone or music device with the onboard 3.5mm headphone port, and its built-in speakers will allow you to fully immerse yourself in your music while training. You will also appreciate that it has a sturdy build and a maximum user weight capacity of 220 pounds, which is very stable for even the most focused runners. This product features 8 speeds that range from 0.5 to 12 miles per hour, allowing you to customize your workout. It has advanced safety features including a built-in emergency power-off switch, side rails, and a stay-in-place power cord to prevent tripping hazards. It also is effortless to quickly move around by folding it flat with just a push of a button for maximum portability and storage. Lastly, it has a one-touch pulse monitor that allows quick and accurate heart rate readings. Overall, this high-quality model offers a large number of features to ensure your workout is safe, effective, and convenient, no matter what size your living space is. Its pros are, its sleek design can be folded flat underneath a bed or couch. It is quick to set up as it comes almost completely assembled. Its clear display lets you view your workout progress in real time, and it's well made with a shock-absorbing running deck that helps protect your joints. However, it does not have any incline levels to increase the intensity of your workout. The Sunny Health and Fitness ASUNA Premium is a must-have piece of cardio equipment for fitness enthusiasts with small homes that want a more convenient and effective way to keep fit. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.